Hey, what is going on, guys? Freeze Gaming here, and today is my first GTA 5 video that I have for you guys. We are doing a small car show with at least 6 cars, actually 5. So let's get it started. First thing over here, we have a chameleon who belongs to. Okay, so we have one of those people here. Beautiful, bonita, nice chameleon. Oh gosh, look at that engine. Whew. Then there's a nice blue paint. What is this shade of? I think this is regular blue. So I think it's blue and black with the red accents on the tires. Custom tires, those tires though. Okay, and then he has a carbon fiber to top it all off with a matching license plate, so a good car. Yes, as a car show or GMC fee. And then here we have a Pro GT20. If he would get out of the car. Get out. Okay. He's in passive mode. I don't know his name. Okay. He has a lime green Pro GT20. Very nice car. Okay. With black rims. I like the shade of green. I think this is a modded propeller, but I like it. Yeah. Okay. And this was by. I think this is DX. Yeah, DX Avengers. Okay. And then this beautiful Osiris. Blue. It looks like blue and chrome. Modded paint job with blue and chrome on the Osiris. Really like this paint job. And the tires, I don't think the tires suits Osiris. I would go with probably these tires to suit Osiris a little bit more, but a really good paint job and a really good car. Really like it. And moving on to the Infante Nightshade, we have a very simple matte black and gray. The nitrous tank inside. Those rims. What are those rims? They have some really nice rims. Yeah. If you could open up the hood, nice. Okay. And it looks like matte black and matte gray. He opened up the and we have the engine inside. Okay, and big drag radial tires with the little duck pin. Very nice Mustang. And then this is my car. Like this color because it's a mixture between purple and the tires to match, not really matching when the light isn't, and it looks like it matches.
Yeah, yeah, up here
Massive spoiler on the back.
we're free,
Very, 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 very nice car. It's
bound
very
only by frozen memories.